don't know, say John Dramani Mahama person calls war. I was Asante Rɛgion. Yeah, because that is what I see. Based on the normal what I see, I was Asante Rɛgion. I quite say, open say calls war. It being tribal or political war, that is what you are channeling your energy to. You want to test the anger of the people of Asante to see. Say, nipe ohona a sing woman wana. Such a stupid reasoning and activity, and I will perform in a way exhibit you. Like seriously, let's see this thing here. Now, I'm telling you, whether you come from Eastern region, Northern region, wherever, this nonsense you cannot do it anywhere. And so why Asante Rɛgion? I say Ghana Today News President Mahama nominee Asante Rɛgion MMDCs. MMDCs are Mahama nominate you. And Asante Rɛgion. Just look at the names. And what's the same no? And what's the same ben ekoso? And Asante Rɛgion. I have one southeast. Ibrahim Yamba Isaka and I was southeast. I have one. And I Abubakar Sadiq and I was southwest. I have one. But actually be north and so NBA Zakaria Alambila. Like seriously, bet me come off. Now the question what you kwako to ho. And I bet me ko piem watamale. Now what the your friends say you want cancer to ho. Say Asante phone go take set MMDC's positions. Such numerous Asantes over the northern region. Do you think our brothers there will accept this? Let me tell you something. This is not tribal issues that we are talking about here. Many of them say for mo hwemi nim se me domu ye pa. And obi o hwemi ofri water region bi nim se me domu ye pa. I always fight for them. But this nonsense, Richie Bien will bet me when you look down, it's like they are treating their senses like they don't know what they're doing. If you don't trust these people, why do you need vote from them? They are looking at this issue just because of the love they have for NDC. Such a sad issue. Now, when you look down and say, be quiet. The Prime Council, I took up here said, Salifu Isaka. The Prime constituency. Salifu Isaka, the Asante Rɛgion, and MDCs. Yemianon, Simufuania, Jabe Sanso Sado. Such an imposing. You see, let me tell you something. Why was me? I was so woeful because me Tihame kind of crash on me catch up point blank. So what bottom? Because when to me see, I will not region that. So why is the Asante Rɛgion? Asante for do what we are seeing per population. Ghana aja tum so mo do here. Yenya Asante ni bia mana take these positions. Aden ent means you vote. Ent means you not. Na ensi wa Asante Rɛgion. See nuanum sremfo na enko ha Asante for so mu kro. Na ada Asante for mu chekeji mo mo yemo a. Nyansani bia di mo betimi take this position ahwe mo so. Hey, that na Ghana dey ko sa do. O sa never for was adanse enough. Charles Kofi Agba no so a non Ashanti and ya de no akwa to ho e wo eye adanse of adanse asokwan so abet dakora wono so a non Ashanti and ya de no akwa to ho even na be hu sadie. When you look at the abnormality in this thing that we are talking about, you see the level say no, Mahama do not respect these people called Asantes. Wait till me see baby where ya bro say mo adanse krofo Gariba Mohammed dia Mustafa adanse krofo Consumer ceremony in a house and force, one way and witty, one to me home also, was here cover war, a man be home also. Tafo, Abubakar Sadiq, I read your Kumasia for the chrome, the popular for the chrome, and was that I met. Asokwa Mokamel, and so the Das and the Fuano, I will have Asokwa constituency, Asokore Mampong. Ah, what cried is Abraham Lucas say, a jar dahono, and yes, I'm going to have Asokore Mampong. Because almost see, I am Mahama move. Mahama is imposing people on them. NDC for one no move for Asokore Mampong. You be poor Asokore Mampong. Near T Diabu free Asokore Mampong. Now, what was so called a year a Jurassic Duma Sensua or say why Rafiu Adam Seidu. Rafiu Adam Seidu. Hey, and that's what me now. My yes, send the people go up to Mukromusa. NDC, let me tell you, Region Bien, I'm not even in the voter region. Yeah, everywhere. I know nya vote and our NDC for vote. Asante Rɛgion. What kind of treatment are you giving to the people of Asante? You don't respect them, eh? To the east is what I say Ibrahim Adams, such Afram Plains, and so I say Abubakar Isaka, Bosomchi constituency, Abdallah Hamidu, And I say, if you jack harbor enough for today, Emmanuel Jackson Aguma, or no, so known as Asante. If you don't trust the people of Asante, why do you need their vote? Because it's a man, Jetiha, I know two for any Brazil, any one country be about how they want to rebuild the Kumasi KJTR project. I know no akwaji in the Jumedi by the 10-year development plan be 2-4 years in Wayama Santeman. And they design everything how they want the Kumasi KJTR to be like. And they said, as I know says the Kadabama with 2-4 to do that though. At least a minor will free moon now or minor within a hinye woman. Penny for a honor by guarantee this is Kadibichia. At that time, it was John Dramani Mahama and a president. Listen to this conversation very carefully. And the beautiful thing John Dramani Mahama did was to say, so okay, and a mema baya bay, yet the ensabe shasi and Musikana Makumasi Ayomu Kejetia. And the KMB, that is the payment through the KMB. You inform more KJTR. Mobile at that time, no. Now, any say we see Kwan cry, and not taxes in kitchen. I do now. I be take it, no. It's a can ya pejable at that time. Do you know why? Because I am more young form man, more musica, and Yedichia. And it's no tune for catch up and say they should make sure so Obi Biara our more genius to Biado. Obenya Chefa. Do you know why? Because a you almost sick and Yedichia. Obi a better baby a catch and say Kumasi NDC Nebesi Mabodam. Kumasi for one the chair by using the KMA to collect those money because Brazil for the buy or make calculate here the number of people who did that a day it was abnormal. They were like, hey, and you done so. Hey, they were shocked. And then the moment team said, okay, we can trust you. Same bit here. Then still we need the government to confirm, to be a guarantor. Say, a protocol, a normal process, and Mahama confirmed so betting me abwa now or the Ninsas and Kratas. And say we are no we are, and could not be being Kokasa when our Yama woman, and young Kratan out the share as ye, and you will see can out the sea, and you come as a 4 man, and they can be tell you one time, some young woman feel. He said 4 boys now Mamutum Kanka, ye catch the woman. Mahama, what summa can be tell I must say and can't some Mamutum Kanka. I want to see woman Kajitia. And then, look at the can. No, we are Santini was a politics not catany. It was Jimmy, I was a king, come on, handsome. Near Sat say, you can't politics now. Say, Kwame, I will tongue one in your win with them for his selfish interest for a party. And then I go so. They go to bet me, see, I will not a region. You remember coming in a boss side Musika near the acquired Tamale in Tachi. Nobody have a problem with that. Please, I know when they claim for that, and nobody also have a problem with that. Do you know why? Because the people of Asante are becoming so calm to the extent that the day they will realize, na ya ton wo mu kuro no, ama na kasante no man will say, "Saya Jimmy ya ton kwasiaba." And no tin obi timi ye NDC no for microphone and we this something at them because on him so much you want to talk about AC medi do mo in at them. And you see this kind of person being in your DM every day sending you message kin on say Kevin Taylor ADD wo tun for atem about them who NDC ni outside Asante na wo ton kwasiaba no mo di something at them then about be catch them here. Blame yourself for your stupid vote. If you really respect your leader, you will not give your vote for people to come and insult him. Obeti mi kasa man to about my MPP because Kevin Taylor di atem no ani ade ade be person me chair and say this and that and yeah no nemo tun for your grade. You are stupid. You don't know where to send your vote. You can't think. You are allowing people to decide for you. That is the kind of person that you are. Nankane monkwasi abai ama hede esi wa Asante Rɛgion and ahwe sa no ma we entimi si wo voter. Sa no ma we entimi si wo problem. But I just want to tell you that tribal war cause Ghana. They want to cause a tribal war. They want to do something. Many parkas Asante to trap for because they will retaliate. Say the Asanteman Asokore when they were doing something stupid. I want to pay Swasso. And 3 days later, Asanteman Asokore free. Wow, you understand? But the state of Nana at that time, he was not fine. Nini kansen ko betina sempo kasa die bufu kasa but mon kwasa sem wo ya na ma Asanteman point die bufu betina se ka che mo se for ma 24 hours mo me patcho na ne Saturday na na free mo. You see ebia nko betimi save the strength to spend a lot of days be and a few days be. You see dia mo ya no top pressure ma Asantefo no mo ha wo mo teach wo mo ma wo makoma no ebo pimpim at least wo mu Asantefo but because you're trying to be a tribal person you do but who kuro mo account pene it's gonna. So why the Asantes? Let's be fair to ourselves. Who from one country? Some Kwasiasem we basic. And so why in Asante region? These things are sad and they need to be addressed. Miango Eya Asokore Mampong, Niango Esa MMDC in Kwasiasem ya Mahama Edi, the Akoso or NDC for one community. We will never
accept him. We will never accept Ben Abdallah. He's nobody in the constituency. When is Ben Abdallah? Who is Ben Abdallah? Who is he? Who is Ben Abdallah? Who voted for Mutaka? Who is Ben Abdallah? We will never accept him. You can't impose someone on us. You can't impose a stranger. You can't impose someone on us. And then our person will impose somebody on us. Also, when your friend Ben Abdallah, say we are drawing a campaign, be Ben Abdallah. He said, what was this? Campaign, campaign, area. Oh, Mama, why are you doing it to the people? Why are you doing this to the people of Asante? Now let's listen to the innocent people of Asokore Mampong. You can't impose that pressure on us.
We also allow that.
Who is Ben Abdallah?
We can never rule over us.
We will never accept him.
How can people that want to control? Living people that who work for the party. This is betrayal. It's nobody
that. You see, so what see you because say Mahama K1ng se farmasum you can go back obi can be se Mahama K1ng e ho Asokore Mampong be se mampurusi ni kusasi o de me ento aso mu ya time anu akoti said this is nonsense. NDC for there. So why are you imposing somebody on them? They've never seen his face before during campaign or whatever. Who is Ben Abdallah? You just love to impose people. I think this guy want to cause a tribal war in Ashanti region. He want to cause a political tribal war. Something that would trigger some Asante to say, and Kwasiasem na we in Asante region. And you better say NDC 4 project. You better say NDC 4. Near cause Asante is why unstable because peace waboko. Enti wanu Mahama K1ng and hoke kado on pass you Ghana ho. Enti obe yiso Asanteman in the butu assign one san wako. And you don't be a junior moton Kwasiabasi we see. Asante region. Let's listen. See, so one say, Mahama K1ng, they will begin to campaign against the NDC. They say, but me a coach, would you wear no crowd? Mammy, come and take a crowd. Tell me. That is it.
Never.
Yeah, interest vote, presidential vote.
This is Asokore Mampong Anaway SC Award. I don't know what John Dramani Mahama want to do in the Asante Rɛgion. And what I can tell you, and he say he want to cause trouble. He want to strike a certain trouble. Now, when it comes to the big brains, I'm here behind the Confanoti teaching us. Maybe customer property. I'm here behind the idea of Yayenye Confanoti. Eh, mo tun for betnasia. Kevin Taylor mo beti na tem. Something na tem. See what debate we say. And so Kevin Taylor papa ti hui. When ya something in pap wasia tafra. Na nkwa wie na brabo. Then so ne ba bediti something na tem because of say we see Confanoti. Eye papa yi. Our that was screen issue friend Professor Oche Ademese. He was one of the big brains. Say a boy yemi yetimi sikano ye de ye Confanoti e ho update me de brem wa no mani age wotimi say yes hospital na ye de sa abochire wo mu ye no kama and me no won ka say Mahama say wapam na free ho. He being the CEO our this Asante working together to build Confanoti to make it better no yapam no and menewa you will see the name of the new CEO, but this nonsense can never happen in Northern Region. This nonsense can never happen in Volta Region. This nonsense can only happen in Asante Region. You know why? Because we have a lot of Kwame Chia, people calling themselves to be Asantes, who will be always willing to sell their votes. So, Asante, I'm a Disco. Because they don't, if they care really about Asante, they will not give votes to people who come and insult and have been always insulting Asante. And then look at the list of the number of people you do as MMDCs and Asante Rɛgion. This nonsense. The only thing that you can digest out of these details, they say Mahama want to cause a tribal war in Asante Rɛgion. You want to, collect heads together. Asantes will retaliate. Ni akasa Asante so any munyamu a yekase. Womo hine ye peacemaker no. Wonu ani kuro mu kura wontimi nye peace wo. Something troubling. Mahama baso ye no Asante Rɛgion. E bi ntimi si bebia. No na Asante say ya point wo. So omo ko Asante for so. Na de omo ye mwa. Omo de omo ntimi hwa obo so. This is sad and I am such a disrespect to Tumfo. Ipa no awonu Tumfo asiesie Confanoti so makwa saket. Message you on that video na kini makra.
K1 boy Juma the Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar, so you see commentary for home so good. Keep on going. And
the style also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undia temni that's how becano it's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are and maybe I walk strength free but it's all good. Oh yeah, the K1 modern K1 will try pa